Hope. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. If it's your first time, welcome. Hope you guys will join the Idorenyin Hope family. Don't be shy to subscribe if you like what you see in this video. If you've been here before, thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, today's video is going to be my very first sleek bun attempt. I'm excited. Let's see how we do this thing. Yeah, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like what's happening in the video. Alright, let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do, my hair has been in 16 chunky twists. So I've taken down 8 sections at the back, 8 twists at the back, and quickly moisturized them. So what I'm going to do is pack this half of the hair into a bun initially, and then we will see how to bring the rest of the hair into the bun. Okay. Ugh, I'm gonna have to use a lot of more gel than I'm used to, but okay, it's fine. It's for a cause. It's for a cause. Starting off with not too much, but let's see. So we're gonna just apply. Ugh. So much gel. So much gel. And more. Gross. Let me undo this, moisturize, and bring it down. I'm gonna try a different kind of parting. I'm so used to parting my hair in the middle that I think my hair just naturally has its own middle part now. So I'm gonna try, and my alternative go-to is this side. So I'm gonna surprise myself today and go for something on this side. Let's see. I wonder if I go here. Let's take over here. Different. I wonder if I can sleek it all down at once. It seems like a lot of hair. Or maybe I have to do it again in... Oh, I look weird already. Maybe I have to do it in 2 sections again. Seems like it's doable. Let's see. So, more gel. This does not look so nice. I don't like it one bit. Not one bit. I'm not gonna leave the back free. So I'm gonna, as usual, do my chunky bun. Ooh, near. No. This must be the style that I've worked the hardest for to turn out looking the worst for. But anyway, I'm going to slick it down and hope for the best. Honestly, I hate styles that are flat against my head. Even when I was relaxed, you will be hard pressed to find a picture of me where my hair was just like this. It was always roller set. So yeah, I'm not feeling myself with this look at all. And all that effort to look like this, nah fam, nah. I don't think sleek buns and me will be getting along anytime soon. But let's slick it down and then I'll get you guys with the results after. Maybe I'll look better. Near. Guys, this is ugly. U-G-L-Y. Okay, now I need it to be wine color. It's going to cover it. Ugly. I will not be doing a sleek bun look anytime soon. But anyway, I suppose it was fun to try it out. I'm gonna insert what I look like once the sleek, what's this thingamajig is out tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it. I consider this a fail, but it's alright. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please like. If you have more tips for me on how to perfect a sleek bun next time, leave it in the comment section down below. Or actually, you know what? Tell me what is, this always looks fairly easy when other people do it, but you can see that I struggled with it much more than I do with the general updo. So let me know in the comment section below, is there a style that everybody else seems to find super duper easy to do, but you struggle to do it? Let's talk in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to share the video with anybody that you know that you think might like me. Well, might like my videos. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.